this is pretty interesting. At Newlands Corner, this is the BMW S1000R. So this is BMW Super Naked. About 160 horsepower and a lot of torque. Do on the later versions get quick shifters as standard, and this is the first gen model. So you get monoblock caliper brakes. But Brembo, so you get a lot of stopping power. Beautiful gold forks. And this one has Aquaprovic N-Can, which is pretty cool. You do get LED lights as well, as standard. Yeah, these are very, very fast. Carbon rear hugger, which is pretty good. There's no fairings on this whatsoever, so being a Super Naked, you get no wind protection. If wind protection bothers you, even a little bit, then why are you looking at a naked bike? Naked bike's not